Hello friends, welcome to EduCenter. This is Mohammed, your favorite teacher. Today we're going to study some important concept of electric motor. Do you know what is electric motor? आपको पता है इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर क्या होता है और वो कहाँ पे यूज होता है? You might have seen the electric fan in your house. You might have even seen the electric pump that you use to carry the water to the top of your building. Okay, so these are the machines that help us in different work, and the electric motor is used in these machines. So basically, electric motor is a machine in which a shaft rotates with a certain speed. ओके, इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर क्या होता है? उसमें एक शाफ्ट होता है जो सर्टेन स्पीड के ऊपर रोटेट करता रहता है. तो वो कैसे करता है, उसके पीछे क्या साइंस है, वो आज हम देखेंगे. सो लेट्स परफॉर्म द एक्टिविटी. फॉर दिस एक्टिविटी वी विल रिक्वायर अ बैटरी होल्डर, two batteries 1.5 volt each, then sandpaper, then we'll require two magnets, then a board that we will be used to make a base of the motor, then we'll require some insulator beads, then we will require another board which we will fix on the base. Then we will require two L-shaped rod with a small circular disc on the top like this. Then finally we will require coil of a copper wire. Now we will going to connect all the components to make our setup ready. Here this is a copper wire and we are having a loop of this wire. Here you can see that the wire is shining because it is having a polished surface. But at the end we will rub this wire with this sandpaper to remove the polished surface. Now we will going to insert two beads both the side, and finally we will going to insert our coil into our setup just like this. Make sure that the coil lies above the magnet. Now our system is ready. Here you can see that I have connected this red wire with this rod and this black wire with this rod. So the electricity will pass from red wire to black wire. This one is positive, this one is negative, but how it will going to pass? It will going to pass through this coil. Again, this coil is having number of turns, so the electricity will go through each and every turn. Now you must be knowing the magnetic effect of electric current, that whenever an electricity passes through a conducting wire, it generates magnetic field. So what will happen is this coil will generate magnetic field because of the passing electric current. Now here you can see that we are having permanent magnet over here. So this magnet is already having magnetic field and this coil will generate its own magnetic field. What will going to happen is the magnetic field of this coil will try to align itself along with the magnetic field of this magnet. So in response, the coil have to move. Once the coil start moving, so what happens that the connection over here will lose one by one, because at one side of this wire I have rubbed it with the sandpaper. So one side is polished and another side is non-polished. So as the connection breaks, the coil will again take its place. Again when the connection the wire get connected, the coil will going to move, and hence it will make the complete rotation. Let's see how this happens. I will just turn on this switch. Okay, I have turned on this switch. See, the coil has started rotating. आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि कॉइल जो है वो रोटेट कर रहा है यहाँ पे. इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर में क्या होता है, इस कॉइल के साथ में एक रॉड लगा दिया जाता है. सो कॉइल जैसे रिवॉल्व कर रहा है वैसे ही वो रॉड जो है वो शाफ्ट जो है वो रिवॉल्व करने लग जाता है, और आप इलेक्ट्रिक करंट को मैकेनिकल एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो. सो दिस सिंपली सेटअप इज कन्वर्टिंग electrical energy into mechanical energy, and that mechanical energy can be used to perform work. So this is all about the electric motor. So what we have learned today? Today we have learned how electric motor works and how electric energy can be converted into mechanical energy with the help of simple principle of the magnetic effect of electric current. Here I will show you how these things happen in the real motor also. Here you can see there is an electric motor. You can also see the coils are wounded. Okay, you can see the permanent magnets are placed around the coil. So this is actually the setup inside the electric motor. I hope you have enjoyed this video and you have learned the concept of electric motor. So if you have enjoyed this video, then please like the video, share with your friends so they can also get to know about this. And if you want to learn the new concept of physics, chemistry as well as biology from practical point of view, then do subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.